Opus 1 started in 1979, and it is all estate fruit. We make 2 wines, Opus 1 and Overture, and they're red Bordeaux blends. Our production originally started off with commercial strains, 100% commercial yeast, and then in 2012, when the project started, we started introducing these native strains and slowly built up the percentage that we were inoculating with over time. In 2019, we were able to reach 100% of, and again, that's really tying us back with a sense of terroir and our sense of place, which we think is really important. It gives our wine an added layer of complexity, and it's kind of another tool that we can play with, another spice in the spice rack, so to speak, which is really fun for us. We like to have the flexibility that the Ecolys tanks provide us because we have 3 of them, and we can pick and choose which yeast we want to use on any particular day for any particular vineyard. So that's really wonderful. This is just a lot smoother workflow. They're able to inoculate the tanks a lot more easily. It's much safer to work with, and it also gives us some water savings in terms of cleaning. The fermentations were really great. It's nice to know that we're inoculating with healthy populations and we have all of that knowledge in the forefront before we go into a tank. That's super key for us, especially since these are native strains. The biggest advantage is really having the control and the flexibility. It makes life so much easier because we don't have to worry about having someone here 24/7. We don't have to worry about, if there are power outages or weird things happening with our infrastructure. We're gonna know it with our tanks, and the tanks are gonna take care of all the temperature controls for us, so we're not having to, in the middle of harvest, run out and turn down temperatures and make sure it's dropping in the appropriate amount for our yeast. We know that our yeast are being cared for in the best way possible. It's all pre-programmed, so it's easy to work with.